good, you guys? So today I'm gonna show you my BlackVue dash camera. I'm gonna show you guys how I hardwired it and also give you guys a bit of a review because I've been rocking it for the past I want to say 8 months or so. So yeah, let's get into it.
All the members got their own money. You get challenges. How you spend 130,000 on challenges? This a demon. I done turn my partner to my manager. Close another deal for 20 mil. That law Ferrari coming. I put glue on both sides of the ball. I know I'll never fumble. I'm alive and ain't doing no time, so I'm forever humble. Different kind. I'm one of them guys. She gon' forever love me. He a child. I'm letting them slide. Cause get them wet for nothing. I'm the boss, the one who they call when they lacking something.
So every time you guys turn on the car, the dash cam tells you parking mode off because the car has parking mode. That's a good thing about the F series BMW since it has a lithium ion battery. Let me turn off this AC. But the good thing about the F series, since they have a lithium ion battery, it gives you parking mode without requiring you to keep a battery pack in your glove box. That's a big reason why I went with the BlackVue, because it has the parking mode without having the box that you would have to have in like the E series, for example, since it's not a lithium ion battery. So this dash cam is a 2-channel dash cam. There's one in the front and there's one in the back that you guys could see right there. So the way I have it hardwired is I have the wires ran from here up onto the back of my sunroof. I mean, not sunroof, sorry, rear view mirror. I have it like running up here, and then I have it running into the headliner over here, down here into the crevice over there, and then actually no, not into this crevice. I have it here into this trim over here, and then down into the weather stripping. And then I'll get out and show you guys right now. But yeah, it's pretty much how you would wire a dash cam in any car. You just tuck it into the crevices, but I'll show you guys exactly how I did it right now. I left my fucking keys over there. Oh, okay. I'll get back in with you guys in a second. So it basically goes through the weather stripping, and I have it behind this panel, so you guys can't really see the wire at all. And then it goes into my glove box here. Let me move some of these papers out of the way and then I'll show you guys what's up. So basically, to hardwire the dash cam, you're gonna have to remove this panel right here, and basically it has this little switch on top. I'll show you guys right now. Let me just see if I can get my phone rested somewhere to give you guys some light. And basically it just slides. I think left is unlocked and right is locked, and that gives you access to all your fuses here. I'll go ahead and list the fuse diagram for you guys right now. I'll leave a picture to it right now. And basically the fuse that you're going to use is the cigarette lighter fuse. If I can remember off the top of my head, it's fuse 56 if I'm not mistaken, but I'll leave the diagram, or I left the diagram back before so you guys can see the exact number. So basically it's kind of hard to see in there because it's not like the E92 where this whole entire thing comes out. It has like a tray right here and like a little bit of a cubby there, so you can only really access it there with pliers. But basically what you have to do is what you have to do when you hardwire any dash cam. You fuse tap the cigarette lighter fuse with a fuse tab connector kit. Oh, I'll show you guys where you can ground it too. If you guys can see that silver bolt at the bottom down there, all the way in the bottom right, that would be your ground, where you guys can ground your dash cam. And yeah, once it's connected, it has a parking mode, which I told you guys about. It runs for, I believe, 24 to 48 hours, but the good thing about these F series BMWs is it has a battery drain protection. So once you use that amount of the battery from your lithium ion battery, the car stops recording, obviously. So a good 24 to 48 hours. Another thing with the BlackVue camera is I have I think a 128GB SSD in there right now, and what it does is once it records, like I think the 128GB SSD gives me like a full week of footage. Once it gives me that full week of footage, it'll start recording over it, and that's pretty much what it does. So you never really have to swap out the SSD or clear your footage, because it just will auto record over every week or so. So right now I'll give you guys some clips of daytime driving in the front and the rear, and I'll give you guys nighttime clips of me driving in the front and rear. And then once I show you guys the clips of the front and the rear driving, I'll go into the app and show you guys the connectability, how good it connects, the Wi-Fi mode and all that. So yeah.
Everything, baby.
How do you move like that?
Michelin.
Alright you guys, so something I forgot to say in the video is that this dash cam is good if you guys like to cut up or drive fast on the highway, because it has a G sensor. So anytime you guys make like a fast cut or like any like quick lateral movement, it'll pick up that motion. It'll come up in the app with like a little red thing on it, and it'll save the clip for you guys when you're driving on the highway. It also works for accidents as well, but I tend to use it to get my cutting up clips because I don't really crash like that. So yeah.
Because her car is fucked up.
She's not doing that. She's only right there.
So basically, to connect to the camera, you have to go onto the side over here and hit this button right here at the bottom next to the connector.
Wi-Fi on.
And the camera will tell you that the Wi-Fi is on. Then you go down here to your phone. It should pop up. You guys see right here. The first one is AutoKit for my CarPlay, but the one you want to connect to is BlackVue. I'll disconnect CarPlay and join BlackVue. Now that it's connected, I go down here to the BlackVue app, and then you don't have to sign up for an account, but you click connect to camera right here. The camera pops up, the 590X. You click join. It might not join right now because if you guys can see, okay, no, get reconnected to the Wi-Fi. So as you guys can see, it has some events right here. The event is probably me walking in front of the car, but look, when you click it, it's very, very intuitive. The footage pops up right away. Look, yeah, you guys can see me walking in front of the car. But basically the point is the app is really, really good on the BlackVue. At first it wasn't, but with the new updates that the BlackVue app has, it's really good. These are all parking mode. It tells you like normal, like there's nothing to happen. My car's been parked for a while, so it should all be parking stuff, but let me see if I can go down to a driving class. Yeah, here we go. So this would be the front driving. I'll put like some actual videos for you guys, but this is like what you'll see on your phone. And then this sometimes pops up on the phone. Hold on, let me turn the volume down on this. But this sometimes pops up on your phone because it's this Wi-Fi network's obviously not giving your phone Wi-Fi. It's just to connect to the camera. So you just click keep trying Wi-Fi, and then it keeps going. So yeah, this was a drive that I had this morning to run some errands. As you guys can see, the footage is crisp as hell. I believe it is 1080p front and rear. I did not buy the 4K one because this is like half the price, but I bought it because of the BlackVue name and the style. In my E92, as you guys saw, I went for a Chinese brand one, and the app is nowhere near as good as the BlackVue app, but there was a couple settings I didn't follow that I checked. The company emailed me it when I bought it from Amazon, so once I do that, I'll let you guys know and give you an update on the ASDOM dash camera. But for now, I really like the BlackVue. Let me show you guys some rear camera footage on my phone. Also, my car is tinted 5% all around, so the rear camera sometimes looks dark at night, but in the day there's literally no issues with 5%. So this is the rear view. You guys can see the spoiler right there, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, it's crisp. All the footage pops up instant, and then if you want to download it, you can click download to internal memory. I don't know why I downloaded that, because I wasn't doing anything in that video. I'll show you guys some clips of me moving, but look, I'm gonna cancel this right now because I don't want to put it on my phone. But that's basically how you download it. The app's really fast, intuitive, and that's probably the best thing about the BlackVue. They use really good cameras that are minimal, and the app works well and connects every single time. So yeah, user experience is 10 out of 10 on the BlackVue. So for the rear camera, I ran the cable through the weather stripping, tucked it in up here. Yes, I have an Alcantara headliner. That shit looks sick. Through the back weather stripping, and then it comes out through the back headliner in the back, through the trim that covers the brake light. I'll go into the back and show you guys a better view. But also, these are the new wheels I have for my E92. They are Apex Arc 8s. They're 17s, and yeah, here's a little preview for you guys. They look sick as fuck. Yeah, I got them in the back seat, so I'm gonna put them on my E92 soon, and I got a video dropping on that for you guys coming soon as well. So as you guys can see, that's the rear dash camera. And honestly guys, to sum things up, I would recommend this dash camera over pretty much any other dash camera on the market that I've seen, just because the software is amazing. It's easy to wire up. They give you the hardwire kit. It comes with it when you buy the camera. Like the Chinese one, I had to buy the hardwire kit separately, so you have to add another $15–20 to the price of the kit. This gives you the hardwire kit included, and also the software is a lot better. So if I had to do it again for the E92, I would definitely buy a BlackVue over saving the $100 for the Chinese one. But yeah guys, I got some more videos coming for you guys soon. Let me know if there's anything in specific you guys want to see. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.